What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one, also an informative one. I learned that yesterday, or the other day, when I said informational one. Informative one for you today. I messed up. I messed out pretty freaking bad 2 times now while lifting my truck. So there's 2 things that I've messed up, one of which isn't too serious. The second one is very serious. Nothing that can't be replaced though. So let me explain. If you don't know already, my name is Aing. I drive a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the quicksand, beautiful quicksand color. And well, I decided to lift it around 2.5 inches, 2.7 inches, I'm not too sure. But I did the lift kit myself, so I saved myself around $600, but have wasted so much time. So if it were up to me, I would go back and just pay the 600, 700 bucks to get it done the right way the first go around, instead of being now, well, having to fix it. So let me explain. I decided to live my own truck because of the reason that I didn't want too many people touching my truck. I don't know about you guys, but I have some serious trust issues when it comes to the automotive world, especially because I've worked for the automotive world, right? So at first I was in the service department at a major tire shop, and then I worked for Toyota themselves. And both times I experienced a lot of untruthfulness, I guess you could say. And I just know that that is the standard, and unfortunately it's reality, and I wanted to prevent that as much as I could. So any work that I could do on the truck, anything that I could personally work on, I was going to do it myself, whether it took me a little bit more time than I would like. Number one, I get experience from it. If a subscriber was in my area, needed a lift kit, and he's like, look, I know it's not certified or anything, but if you were willing to do it, could you help me out? I definitely could, because I know how to do it. I know the how to. So that's one reason. But 2, if something goes wrong, I know what's wrong with it. I know what I did wrong. I know how to fix it. Number 3, I just wanted to save a couple bucks. It's $600. In reality, in the grand scheme of things, I spent like around $3,000, $4,000 on just the lift, just the parts, right? So $600 is not a lot. It wasn't really the money thing, but it was kind of, it's just something with me. I don't want to pay someone to screw with my stuff. And that's just the bottom line of it. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna show you guys what it is that I messed up, what I messed with, what you guys can do if you're looking to install this on your own, what to not do. All right, so I'm about to show you guys the first thing. Take a look closely. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the damage part first, and then I'll show you guys the second part. So let's look at the damage side. This is connected to the lower control arm, and well, me and my dad tried to install the lift kit a certain way, and it didn't work out this way. Unfortunately, we undid the lower control arm. Then when we went to tighten it, we kind of used an air gun to tighten it all the way back up and smashed that metal railing that you see there. Absolutely obliterated it, made it flat, and absolutely stood no chance at all. So that was that. Me and my dad thought we had, you know, did the best job in the world. We were thinking we were a-okay. Not at all. We ended up taking it apart, putting it back together, sort of, kind of, and everything is good to go. We got it aligned, we're a-okay there. This one is more serious. I added 1 to 2 inches in the rear. To do that, you mess with the leaf pack. I took the leaf pack out and I put in another leaf, just a single leaf. It's called add a leaf in the rear. And you need to put the U-bolts back in, right? U-bolts are in, and that should make you a-okay if you put it in right. So look at this. I put both back in, and on one side there is just no thread showing. So we messed up. We got to take the truck apart. Not really, but we got to take it apart, lift it, and get that sorted out. I'm not driving it because I just think that's so unsafe, and who knows if the bolts are even functional at this point. I don't know if they bent or anything like that. So that's more to come. I'm gonna check that out, but this is why the retorque is so important, because I'm pretty sure we left it properly set up. So I don't know what happened there. Let me know down below, because a lot of people are going to tell me they know absolutely everything, and well, they don't. They just think they do. So if you've done this, let me know, because I definitely need some help. Everything else is seemingly okay. I went in and retorqued as much of the stuff I could touch myself. Once I go with my dad, we're gonna go ahead and get this all straightened out, and we should be good to go. So if you have any other questions, if you have any concerns, let me know down below. Is there something that I may have missed when retorquing, something I should check out on? But yeah, let me know. It's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.